guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's hair, I'm trying out this new like Oreo look trend, and this hair is from West Kiss. So this wig, I got it in 22 inches. I'll show you how long it is. For me, it goes up to like my belly button, I would say. So it's really nice, and I got this in a medium wig cap size, and it fit perfect. Like it fit. Like there's so much room that I could also pull it down here. I didn't have to like tug and pull like some other wigs. And it's Swiss lace, but it looks like HD. It melted so well. I didn't even put any baby hairs just because I'm obsessed with how it melted so well. So yeah, it is a 13x4 and I got it in 180 density. I kind of feel like it's 150 density. Like it's pretty small, I would say. If you guys see, this is how much hair it is. But I do like thinner wigs just because they feel more natural to me, and it doesn't feel as hot. But this is perfect, and I love the highlights. You can actually see the highlights because some companies just send out like gray wigs where there's just all gray, but with this one you can actually see the highlights, and it's giving 2000s, it's giving early 2000s, it's giving Christina Aguilera, and I really like it. The hair is really soft as well. I hope it stays like this. Like so far I have no static. Like usually it would be really staticky, but right now there's nothing going on. I just straightened it and this is how it is. And yeah, and the highlights are all kind of throughout, so it's mostly at the top. The back is mostly black, and then there's a couple in the back as well. So I feel like it's just right. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So if you guys want to see how I melted this wig install and how I feel about the hair, then keep on watching. Okay, so I've already done my bald cap method, and I used the Bold Hold liquid gold. That's what I used, and I actually like it. My first time using it, and it feels really stuck. So I'd highly recommend you guys using that for your bald cap method. I'll probably make a video one day when I actually have some time to film like a detailed bald cap method tutorial, but it's pretty much the same thing that I do like in my detailed videos, but I just use a different liquid. So here is the wig, and it is really pretty. I'm so excited to wear this. I love how the color is, and mine actually has highlights. Like I had a friend order, she got a wig similar, not from the same company, but hers was literally just gray. So, oh, I know once it's parted and everything, you're going to see the highlights, so I'm excited about that. And the lace, it is Swiss lace, and they let me know that it is Swiss lace, but it's really nice. Like, it's still pretty good. It's just more on the lighter side. So all you have to do is like really tint it well, and then you should be good. So I'm going to go ahead and just put some foundation and some tint on the lace, and then I'll be back for the gluing. Okay, so I put my foundation on the lace, and I only put like a really dark concealer on the perimeter just so that this part could blend, and then this part looks like scalp, so I don't want the whole thing dark. And I think the color should be good for now. I can always darken it up later with a tint. So now I'm just going to see where I want my hairline to start. And lately I've been putting the hairline a bit closer or like lower than my actual hairline, just because I don't want the glue touching like any of my hair, even though I have a wig cap on, like even my little hairs and stuff like that. So that's what I'll do. So I'm just gonna use a black like eyebrow pencil, and let's see where this should start. The wig cap is really nice. Like the lace, it fits perfectly. Like it goes down here. I don't have to pull anything. It just fits perfect. So my hairline's gonna look normal. Okay. I know the markings are pretty low, but that's not exactly where I'm gonna put my hairline. That's just the furthest I can go down. Farthest or furthest? One of those words. And there we go. I'm just gonna clean this area with some alcohol. Make sure there's no oils. I know you can't tell by the timing of like the video, like when I post them and stuff, but I swear I haven't done a wig install in so long. So I'm really excited. And for glue, I'm actually using Bold Holds. I went back to Bold Hold. Just can't go wrong with Bold Hold, and I wasn't having good luck with my old glue. Okay, I don't know why it's exploding, but ooh. I'm just gonna Alright, so I'm going to do about 3 layers. So now that the glue is pretty much clear, I'm just going to match up the dots and then press it in. I think it should be good. I want to make sure the sides are down. So I'm just going to clip the hair up and then put the elastic. And I'm going to leave this on for about 5 minutes and then I'll be back. Alright, it should be good. So I'm going to take this off. I'm going to apologize if there is any loud noises in the background. I just need to film with like my window open because I don't want it to be too hot with all these lights and stuff. So I apologize. I'm going to clip up the 2 sides, looking good so far. So it's time to cut the lace, and it's a little tricky to do on camera, but I'm probably going to go and fix it up in a bit. This lace isn't too thick, so it's pretty nice. Well, from what I can see from here. Ooh, look at that. It actually matched pretty well. I'm surprised. This is looking really good. So I think there's some parts that are lifted because I didn't put enough glue. I'm just going to go and touch that up real quick and then we'll be back for the edges and the styling and everything else. Okay, so this is how it's looking and it's giving scalp. I just touched it up with some of my foundation just because it looked a little lighter, and also like a lace tint. You guys can use that as well. So now I'm just going to use the Wig Dealer melting spray and melt it one more time, and in the meantime I'm just going to be straightening the hair. So just lightly spray this around the hairline. Not too much. And then I'm going to tie it down with an elastic one more time. I bought like those Velcro ones, and I guess I bought the wrong ones because they're so big, it doesn't even work. But once I find the right ones, hopefully it'll work. Alright, so let that do its thing, and now I'm gonna straighten the hair up a bit. It's already straight. I didn't wash the hair. I only washed like the front part. So I'm just gonna straighten it up a bit and then also hot comb it to a middle part. So here's a straightener I'm gonna be using, and this is the Babyliss Titanium Pro, and then Heat Protectant, the Silk Elements Mega Silk, and then the hot comb. It's the H&H Hotter and Hotter, I think, because it's from the States. We don't have this here, but that's pretty much what I'm going to be using, and I'm just going to speed this part up a bit. Okay, so everything is straight, and I need to see the part, so I'm going to take this off first. The hair is feeling really, really soft right now, so that's great. Ooh. Oh my gosh, this is coming out of my scalp. Like, what? Whoa. Wow. Okay, I don't even think I need edges for this look. I don't even think I'm going to do edges. We'll see. let me just find this middle part first. It's like almost middle. This is looking so good. Like, I'm really shocked at this melt situation. It's literally giving scalp. I see that. Let me zoom it in. Look at this. Look at that. This combo is undefeated, I swear. Glue, melting spray. Wow. This middle part is just plugging down. I'm pretty sure this wig came with the middle part, like already plucked. You guys can see that. I didn't pluck this, like the middle. I didn't pluck the middle part, but I'm pretty sure it did because it came in the middle part. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna pluck that middle part because this is looking pretty natural already, and this should be good, honestly. I'm gonna wear it like this for a couple days, and then I'll add baby hairs when it gets older. But I'm really liking the no baby hair look lately. And this hair is so bomb. Bam! I'm feeling like Christina Aguilera right now. It's so nice. And I really like this density. I think I got 180 density, I did. And this feels really nice. I don't like my wigs too thick. You guys can see. You can see how much hair it is. It's just like a perfect amount, I would say. It feels really good on the head. Get this tighter. And bam! This is my hair, pretty much. This is giving me scalp. Really like this install, and I can't wait to dress up and see what kind of looks I'm gonna create with this hair. But yeah, this is pretty much it for this video, and if you guys enjoyed, give me a thumbs up, comment below what you think of this hair. Do you guys like it? Would you purchase it? And also comment what else you'd like to see on my channel. Subscribe if you haven't already, and all the info of this hair will be in the description below, the direct link and also the link to the store. And yeah, that's it. So thank you guys for watching my video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!